Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 4D RC F11 Pro. Maybe professional photos are not your main reason for wanting a drone, and if that's true, the 4D RC F11 Pro allows you to take advantage and save about $100. If you don't mind a small but noticeable drop in camera quality, this drone comes fitted with all the necessary tech you need to have a nice fun afternoon photographing nature, or yourself, or your family, or, if you edit well enough, some professional clients. Don't get me wrong, this thing takes some pretty good photos. It's just not up to the level of the FIMI X8 Mini or the HKN Ki1. But, the good thing is, you get to save more than $100 for that slight dip in camera quality. The camera setup on the 4D RC F11 Pro is similar to that on the HKN Ki1. It's a Sony IMX179 sensor that can shoot 4K videos, but this at a reduced frame rate of 25 fps. Onboard image stabilization is digital, and everything is balanced by a 2-axis gimbal setup. Images are bright, sharp, and clear, although you'll notice a picture quality drop when you shoot from very high altitudes. Video quality is top-notch. No real complaints there. The F11 Pro has the same effective range as the KF01 to 1.2 kilometers, and that's more than enough in anyone's book. This can stay in air for about 20 minutes on a full charge, although the manufacturer claims it will do 30 minutes. This drone also comes equipped with most of the GPS-enabled functions you'd get on the KNHA F01. Emergency low battery return is standard, so also is flight planning via what the manufacturer calls pointing flight. Return home mode, or one-key return as it's called on this drone, works great as well. And it's the same case for the auto-follow mode, which tracks your movement and autopilots the drone to keep you in focus. Number 2. SG106 RC Drone. This is quite an impressive drone that comes packed with excellent features. The design of this drone is quite stunning and aerodynamic. It comes with 4 rotor blades. There are 2 classic colors available, black and white. While you cannot fold this drone and make it compact, there are tons of other benefits that make up for it. It comes with a 4K HD camera that can shoot photos and videos with just gestures. It also features advanced smart portrait recognition. Yet another interesting feature is that you can easily plan the trajectory of this drone with the help of your smartphone. Simply draw the path with your fingers and the drone will follow it. Isn't that truly remarkable? The drone boasts of a 1600 mAh battery that will keep the drone up in the air for a good 22 minutes. It also has a dual camera setup, so it becomes easy for you to switch between the front and back. Also, the single key for taking off and landing is truly amazing.